Instructions for 8x4 desktop calendar. Adjust settings. Disengage the last 12 pins. Confirm the margin adjustment dial is at 4 mm. Confirm the binding dial is at 3/8 of an inch. Confirm the alignment guide is set to the first mark. Calendar binding instructions. Take the flat black sheet and fold across the center score. Take the open end of the black cardboard and place into the machine, all the way against the alignment guide. Push down the lever to punch holes. Then, remove cardboard and fold back additional scores. Grab the polycover and place into the machine, all the way against the alignment guide. Push down the lever to punch holes. Place polycover on the side. Grab the first 6 prints, making sure the month order is correct. Place the first 6 prints into the machine, all the way against the alignment guide. Push down the lever to punch holes. Flip over the prints and place on top of the polycover. Grab the remaining 7 prints and place into the machine, all the way against the alignment guide. Push down the lever to punch holes. Flip the prints over and place on top of the previous set of prints. Push the wire holder to open the clamp, and place the wire with the wide loops facing toward the inside of the clamp. Load the folded cardboard on the wire. Flip over the complete set of prints. Make sure polycover faces up. Load the calendar onto the wire. Remove the uncrimped calendar from the wire holder, and place into the binding channel. Important: make sure both open ends of the wire are completely against the binding wall. Push binding lever down to close the wire. The 8x4 desktop calendar is complete.